Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a beautiful two-story glass wall house in Heartopia. It's very easy and only takes a few steps. First, just place the floor to create the size of your ground floor. For example, maybe I want to just like this. And then next, just use the half wall. I want to make it like this. And then after that, just place a staircase and build the second floor by adding more floor tiles. In here, I want to use this short stair. And then another floor. In here, you can feel free to adjust this staircase and expand the second floor to match your own designs. And then once you're happy with the layout, just add another half wall. For example, like this. And okay, I want to add the walls in another sides like this. And then I want to add the door. And then next, the final step is what makes this build looks amazing. Just place the plain glass windows on the every wall. For example, like this. And okay, like this, you can see it. Next, you can just add for the rooftops and then make your house more beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.